I don't know. I just make videos.
What is a robot?
Ada, help us.
Look, you all are always begging me for help. It's Kickoff. We've practiced the basics of building a robot. Now we just have to do it together.
And wait, why am I still screaming?
I don't know.
And how do we do that?
It's simple. You just watch a video and you make a design.
Oh, that sounds easy.
It's not.
What do you mean?
Hello, students of Team Name. I hope you had a good holiday.
Yeah, bro. I like Switch too.
That doesn't even exist yet. It's January 2025.
So anyways, it's January, and today is Kickoff.
Really?
We were just talking about it.
And didn't you start this team?
That was so last August.
Students, listen, I'm just gonna play you this video, and then you can come up with the robot design.
Are we watching a movie?
It is Kickoff.
So, no movie?
It's starting.
Welcome to the 2025 Watergame Kickoff. Please stay tuned to hear more about this year's game after our 6-hour presentation. Last year, over 6 million pizzas were consumed by your fellow teams. In the 2025 season, our goal is for all teams to consume 6,000,001 pizzas. Now, to talk to you more about water, here's one of our sponsors, Desany.
Good afternoon to everyone watching this Kickoff Live. I am Desany, and I'm here to talk about something important that we must mention. Please do not fall asleep and wait for the Kickoff video. This is incredible to your life, and failure to pay attention will result in you missing the most amazing information. When you're up late strategizing with your team, you don't need just water. You need an energy drink.
Making Magic, the workshop, and its affiliates do not promote drinking energy drinks in place of sleeping or water. It is in your best interest to promote healthy eating and drinking habits. Stay safe, gamers.
Speaking of energy, to show you the power of water, this year's season will be completely charged up by wind energy. From wind turbines to small fans to a gentle breeze, wind is all around us and can power everything we do here.
Wind?
From the invention of the Super Soaker to this year's game, are you ready to get soaked? 3, 2, 1, Watergame!
Welcome to the 2025 game Watergame. 6 alliances of 2 teams face off to earn points by scoring water in the water, going underwater, and finally flipping water bottles. Teams can earn bonus points by dabbing on them haters with their opponents. Before the match starts, teams can choose to have the robot either under the water or underwater. Robots may start with 1 water. Once the match begins, teams take turns scoring water in the water or scoring water under the water. If a team flips 17 water bottles on the cap in a row while hitting the griddy, they earn the water ranking points. If all 6 alliances dab on them haters consecutively, they earn the slay ranking point. The alliance that earns the most points overall when time is up loses the match.
Yo, what's up? Let's give a tour of this year's field. Here's some water. Here's some more water. And there's water over there. Good luck, and we'll see you under the competition.
So, it's a water game, I guess.
I feel more confused than I was before.
So, what now?
Well, we obviously need to make a robot idea. Rookies.
Yeah, you guys do that.
Wait, what are you gonna be doing?
I'm gonna go get some citrus juice.
You mean orange juice?
You wouldn't get it.
Look, let's be real. We're bad. So get this.
Get what?
What if it just
What?
moves around?
And after it scores,
86 points average from both water and water bottles. It hits the gritty and it wins.
Bet. That's a bomb idea. But wouldn't it be tricky to build?
I mean, we did it easy in California after we had our citrus and fixed our circuits.
This one is better.
No.
This one is better.
This is a code orange. I repeat, this is a code orange.
That's mean.
Yep. Wait, what is a code orange again?
Oh, it means someone chugged an orange crush.
Oh, sorry. That was me.
Oh guys, I stole this kip off the street.
Oh, what's a kitbot?
You don't even know what a kit is? Where did you even discover FRC?
I saw a meme.
Of course she did.
So have y'all figured out what you're gonna do to it? We'll do it.
Well, we have to get this done before the meeting ends.
How much longer is that?
20 minutes.
Okay, we have it.
So it moves around.
And it hits the gritty.
Oh God.